Compass 5686, descend and maintain flight level 260.
Descend flight level 260, Compass 5686. Albuquerque, 71 Papa Golf.
Number 71 Papa Golf, go ahead.
And was anybody above us that passed us like 30 seconds ago?
Number 71 Papa Golf, negative.
Okay. Something. A UFO. Yeah.
Delta 1757, contact Albuquerque Center 126.22.
2622, Delta 1757, good day.
American 2548, contact LA Center 127.52.
2752, American 2548, yeah. Center Shuttle 5904 with you, 320.
Air Shuttle 5904, Albuquerque Center, radar contact.
Center American 672, like to request flight level 380.
American 672, I have your request.
Good afternoon, Albuquerque, United 1241 at 350.
United 1241, Albuquerque Center.
American 10 at 34 and a half, climb at 370.
American 1095, Albuquerque Center. American 571, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4.
25-4, American 571. Albuquerque, Southwest 3710s at 23.3 for 250.
Southwest 3017, Albuquerque Center, climb and maintain flight level 280.
South 280, Southwest 3017.
Southwest 3665, contact LA Center 133.2.
332, good day, Southwest 3665.
United 1241, Quebec Fusco.
Say again, the 69 1241.
United 1241, Fusco.
Fusco, United 1241.
Compass 5686, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4, good day.
125.4, Compass 5686, good day.
Air Shuttle 5904, cross Tucson and maintain flight level 260.
Cross Tucson and maintain flight level 260, Air Shuttle 5904.
X-ray Alpha, Oscar Lima Alpha, radar service terminated, contact Mazatlan 126.3.
Mazatlan 126.3, thank you, Oscar Lima Alpha. Third Delta 101 Alpha, 350.
Delta 101 Alpha, Albuquerque Center.
Good afternoon, Albuquerque Center, American 535, 10 miles south of Via at 320.
American 535, Albuquerque Center, radar contact. American 1095, let me know if you see anything pass over you here in the next 15 miles.
You know if anything passes over?
American 1095, affirmative. We had an aircraft in front of you that's 37 that reported something passed over him, and we didn't have any targets, so just let me know if you see anything pass over you.
I don't know what it was. It wasn't an airplane, but it passed us going the opposite direction. Runner American 1618, 23.8 for flight level 250.
American 1618, Albuquerque Center.
Albuquerque Center, good afternoon. American 2605, level 350, mostly smooth.
American 2605, Albuquerque Center.
Albuquerque, get 523, 240, 250.
And Exit Jet 523, Albuquerque Center. American 672, climb and maintain flight level 380.
Climb and maintain flight level 380, American 672.
Hey, it's American 1095. Yeah, something just passed over us. Don't know what it was, but it's at least 3,000 feet above us. So yeah, it passed right over the top of us.
Okay, American 1095, thank you.
Yeah, Center Delta 1755, checking in 320.
And Delta 1755, Albuquerque Center. And American 1095, can you tell if it was in motion or just hovering?
Make it out whether it was a balloon or whatnot, but it was just really either bright or had a big reflection on it, several thousand feet above us, going opposite directions.
Okay, Roger. American 535, cross Tucson at a maintain flight level 260.
Cross Tucson, flight level 260, American 535.
American 1618, climb and maintain flight level 330.
Climb and maintain flight level 330, American 1618.
Was it a Google balloon?
UFO.
FlexJet 526, contact LA Center 133.2. FlexJet 526, 133.2.
33.2, 523.
FlexJet 526.
526, 133.2.
ExitJet 523, climb and maintain flight level 330.
330 for just 523.
November 344, Alpha Alpha, contact LA Center 133.2.
33.2, Alpha Alpha to it. Hey, Albuquerque, United 1851.
Stand by. November 71, Papa Golf, Quidrek Newman.
Greg Newman, 71 Papa Golf.
Air Shuttle 5904, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4.
Okay, 25.4, we didn't see nothing.